Mama, are you struggling to keep your little one's hair dry while swimming? Don't worry, I've got the best method to protect their natural hair from chlorine. No more drenched hair after every swim. Let me show you my go-to technique that actually works. Hey Mama, welcome back to my channel. Mama, a quick disclaimer, there are no swim caps out there that's going to keep your little one's hair 100% dry. However, with the two methods I'm about to share, it comes pretty close. Only a little of the hairline and the nape may get wet, but the majority of their hair stays dry and protected. Let me show you how. Okay, Mama, so before I put on my daughter's swim cap, I always tie her hair up into a bun. This keeps it compact, out of the way, and makes the cap easier to put on without tugging or pulling. It also helps create a smoother fit, which of course reduces the chance of water sneaking in. Also, Mama, before putting the swim cap on, I always spritz her hairline and nape with water and then apply a silicone based leave-in conditioner on top. And this is because the nape and the hairline are the only two areas that get slightly wet even with the swim cap. So this is going to help create a protective barrier against the chlorine and also prevents the hair from drying out. Hey mamas, is your little one's hair always dry no matter what you do or what you use? Trust me, I know how frustrating that could be. I'm Novella and I want to invite you to my 5-day live moisture retention challenge. In just 5 days, I'm going to teach you how to stop the dryness and transform your little one's hair with simple steps that's going to hold on to moisture for days. During this challenge, you'll learn how to identify your little one's hair type because honestly, if you don't know what you're working with, how are you supposed to care for it? I'm also going to teach you how to select the right types of products to moisturize your little one's hair by function and by age. I'm also going to teach you how to understand key ingredients by function so that you can make better choices when choosing your little one's products. I'm also going to help you to build the best moisture routine for your little one and also how to track progress so that you can have consistent results. You'll get 5 live sessions with me where you can ask me questions directly, and also access to a private Telegram group chat where you can connect with other mamas and just get that support throughout this 5-day challenge. You'll never feel alone in this challenge. I'll even show you a demo of how to properly moisturize your little one's hair for moisture retention so that you can see exactly what works, what keeps my children and my clients' hair moisturized for days. You may be wondering what products are actually going to work to help moisturize your little one's hair. I've got you. I'll give you exclusive product suggestions of my favorite and the best natural hair products for moisture retention. By the end of this challenge, you're going to have everything you need to know to keep your little one's hair soft, conditioned, smooth, and just healthy in general. Let's finally end the battle with dryness together for good. So the first swim cap I'm going to be showing you is by Soul Cap and then the Moco swimming headband. Shout out to my online mummy friend 3 Naturals by Jade that put me on to this swim cap and headband method. So I put the Soul Cap on, making sure that it fully covers her ears and all of her hair. I also make sure that the swim cap is lying flat on her forehead and also around her nape, just to ensure that there's no gapes or anywhere that the water can sneak in. Then I add the headband on top to create an extra seal around the edges and the nape. This helps to prevent water from seeping in also. I also make sure that her ears are covered, which also adds even more protection. Here's a quick look at how my daughter's hair stayed mostly dry after swimming using the Soul Cap and also the Moco swimming headband on top of that. As you can see, the nape of her hair got wet a little bit, and when it comes to her hairline and edges, that was literally dry. I was so impressed. Okay, mama, so now let me show you the Hair Bella swim cap, which has a satin lining to protect the hair. This time, I don't need to cover her ears with this particular swim cap, but the cap still does an amazing job at keeping her hair from getting drenched. Again, the nape and the hairline may get slightly wet, but the majority of her hair stays dry. Thing I like about the Hair Bella swim cap as well is that you can adjust the sizing or the fit of the swim caps. And then I make sure that I close the plastic clasps and then make sure that I adjust it firmly, making sure that it sits snug and firm across her head. This is going to prevent the water from seeping in. Okay, mama, so here's a quick look at how my daughter's hair stayed mostly dry after swimming using the Hair Bella swim cap. As you can see, the ends are dry, most of her hair is dry. The only area that got slightly wet was her nape. Again, the hairline and edges, hardly anything, it's literally dry. Now, to prevent chlorine buildup and damage, particularly around the nape that tends to get wet, I wash her hair bi-weekly using a chelating shampoo. Now, this chelating shampoo is going to remove the chlorine from her hair. This is a key step to keeping her hair healthy while she enjoys swimming. So mama, if you want to keep your little one's hair protected from chlorine, try this method. Let me know in the comments if you've used any of these swim caps or if you have any other tips that you've used that's worked. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, mamas. Bye.